You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some wise plugins since the speed of the process and make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Coop openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.